Hey there, this is Hafiz from PTE School. Today I am making this video to make you understand that how you should be prepared for your next exam. So this video is for those who actually sat for PTE Academic earlier and you didn't get your required score. So this is very important. Try to understand every single thing, whatever I'm going to share here. So recently one of my students got the score 79, that is IELTS equivalent 8, 20 permanent residency points. You can see uh, I'm showing his score when he enrolled with us before that is on February 24. He sat for the exam and he got 90 in listening, 90 in speaking, reading 69 and writing 75. And he started taking coaching after that, and on April 11 you can see that he got 90 in listening, 90 in speaking, writing improved 10 marks, 85, and reading was improved 6 marks. But he missed the score in the reading because he needed 4 more marks to get 79 in all 4 modules. Now you know that what I do, I actually do analysis your skill profile. These are the 8 skills that provide your area of improvements, what you need to do, so that as a teacher I can understand what I should do. But from here you can see that whenever you'll click that skill profile, they will give you some details. But sometimes whenever I sat with you earlier, it's not very much possible for me within 20 minutes to go through every single thing detailed. So when the person failed on the 11th of April, failed means didn't get the score in the reading, I requested him, could you please share your credentials of the PearsonPTE.com so that I can sign in on behalf of you and I can check every single thing what happened in your this 8 skill profile, so that I can compare it with your earlier examinations and then I can understand. So he did it, and what I did, I actually tried to understand everything, and I found that he got 90s in speaking 2 times. You can see earlier he got 90 in the speaking. So in this particular, he got 90 in speaking on February 24. He got 19 April 11. But I found that the way he was doing read aloud, he is getting a score in the speaking, but he is not getting good score in the reading. The way he was writing summarized written text, he was getting good score in the writing, but he was not getting good score in the reading, because somehow the core points, the key contents were missing. The sentences he was trying to find out, those are not the main sentence. Then I realized the way he is doing fill in the blanks reading and writing, the way he is doing fill in the blanks reading and reorder paragraph, there are a couple of areas he has to improve. Somehow when he is getting 92 times in listening and speaking, he had the self-confidence, very confident. I can call it overconfidence. So he thought that he didn't have any issue in the speaking and writing because he already got 85 this time. But then I made him understand based on the skill profile what happened in the 8 skill profile, that you have to sit with me and do read aloud in front of me so that I can give you the feedback as per the scoring guideline. You have to do summarize written text in front of me so that I can give you the feedback as per the guideline. And then he realized, so when we sat for the classes after 11th of April, probably 13 or 14th, the first class for 40 minutes, then he realized that the way he was doing read aloud is still there are a couple of areas he can improve. The way he was doing summarized written text, those kind of portal are giving him 7 out of 7 in the practice session, but he was not getting good score because I showed him why he was not getting good score. Then he did couple of classes with me again to actually do the live demonstration, because you know, like when a person is very much close to that score and is not getting a score, he is frustrated. It's a waste of time and money, so definitely we need to help each other. Then I sat with him for the last 17 days, that is April 28 he got 79 in all 4 modules, you can see. But for this 11th of April to 27th of April, I sat 3 times and for 30 to 40 minutes for each, and tried to make him understand through live demonstration. He shared his computer screen for read aloud, for summarized written text, for reading and writing fill in the blanks, for reading fill in the blanks and reorder paragraphs. And I tried to make him understand what are the common mistakes he is making. And honestly speaking, day 1 was not that much up to mark, as he missed the score. He was frustrated. On top of that, he was not thinking too much. But the day 2, he improved a lot. Drastically, he was giving the best shot, and the day 3 was good enough. So before the exam on 28, he sat with me on 26th of April, and I understood the way he is perfect right now. We can expect something good. But you can see that he got 79 in all. For sections, he is happy. I am happy because at the end, the problem is solved. But you can see from 90 to 87, it was 87. You can see from 90 to 83. So the moral of the story is it's not about what score you are getting right now. It's all about how you are performing so that you can get your required score 79 or 65. Because at the end of the day, this result is not working, but this result will work. Why? Because he got 79 in each. So what my suggestion is, friend, so if you think that you have sat PT earlier and still you are not getting your required score, you can share your credentials of your pearsonpt.com so that I can log in and I can check exactly what's the issue for each things, because I might not get your screenshot in that way because it is not easy for me to understand. So I can log in and then I can check. For better security purposes, what you can do, you can set a time range that, okay, hey Hafiz, I'll be sharing the email ID and password for my pearsonpt.com, and from that particular duration, from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. if you are happy to check, and after that I'll change my password. That's all right. So definitely you have to talk to me for that one. But it's very important, mate. I believe that it's not about sitting multiple times in PTE Academic. It's all about how you are actually understanding what are the common mistakes you're making, why you have to do that one, what are the areas you have to work. So this is very, very important. Even you can see that the person got 79 all, but the skill profile is not up to mark because the content marks is not here. So you have to also think about that the way you are writing summarized written text, those kind of portal is giving the best score. The way you are doing read aloud, those kind of portal is giving the best score. The way you are writing essay, those kind of portals giving the best score. But you are not getting your required score. For this, you need to be alert. You have to understand. So if you're happy, share your login details with me on WhatsApp, and let's discuss that when I can sit with you regarding what are the mistakes you made last time so that I can give you the advice. And before sitting next time, you have a clear picture that where you are standing right now. So this video is for those who actually sat for PTE Academic 2 to 3 times or 2 times. Not the first time. It should, because when I want to make a comparison, it should be at least 2 times. So if you sat for PTE 2 times, even if you sat for 1 time, you can also share so that I can have a clear idea again 1 more time, so that I can help you that what are the areas you have to work so that you can improve your score in the next time. So to get your score within 1 attempt, this is very important, mate. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any further questions, let me know. And if you want to sit for the exam as soon as possible, please make sure that you're not making the same mistakes what you made earlier without understanding the skill profile that what Pearson said you. Thanks. Keep practicing. Cheers.